you can have the key of life.
An anthem of perseverance and determination, depicting a journey filled with obstacles.
Like a rocket, right in the bucket. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hot shot. Bullet. Shot. Like it. One more time. Shot. Bullet. Shot. Bullet. He ta-ta down. It's a hot shot now. You better watch that. Watch it. Can you play music a little bit low for me, please? I just want to give thanks to Jimmy for everything he has done for me. I've known Jimmy Cliff from I was, whoa. My uncle used to play percussion for Jimmy Cliff band for over 30 years. And I know this man from in the yard. And the first time Jimmy heard me sing, he said, don't stop doing what you're doing. Continue doing what you're doing, because you will be a great superstar one day. I know I'm 50 something now, and here I am doing this. Hey! 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 Sister Jimmy said, hey! Going like a rocket. Right. Oh, now, yeah. Cause I'm rolling like a rocket. Oh, right in the bucket. Oh, Lord, hey, you call me hot shot. The actor done a hot shot. Oh, now, they call me hot shot. Yeah. You better watch that. Now everybody, hot shot. Can I ask you to do something for Jimmy? Can you just get up one time, please? Can you just stand up one time, everybody? Stand up one time, please. Mr. Prime Minister. Sir, thank you, sir. Can I see everybody just do this one time for Jimmy Cliff? We love you, Jimmy. We love you very much. Cause we go in like a rocket. Right in the bucket. Go on, one time, Jamaica. Sing it. Go in like a rocket. Right in the bucket. Whoa, can somebody go like this? Action. So, Beenieman, along with Chris and God.
Jamaican's famous self-written song, Hot Shot, was written by Taylor Britton and A. Robertson. It appeared on his 1979 album Rock and Roll Juvenile. While the song had modest chart success in the UK upon its initial release in 1979, it became a much bigger hit in the US in 1985 with